Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to save your game progress or your game saves to a USB device like this on your PlayStation 4. So I'm going to plug this into the front USB slot. Now, there may not be an indication that it's plugged in anywhere. So what we want to do is go up to settings right here and select this. Then what we can do is go on down to devices. And then we can go to where it says USB storage devices right here on the bottom. Here I can see my flash drive is plugged in and how much is in use. Now, if I want to reformat it, if it's not working or something like that, what I can do is select it with X, go to this screen, and then I can go to Format as exFAT. Now, I want to go ahead and save my game progress on this. So I'm going to back up to the main settings menu, then scroll on down to Applications, Save Data Management, then go on to where it says Save Data in System Storage right on the top. Select this, and then go to Copy to USB Storage Device. And then it's going to say please wait. It may take about 15 seconds for this to go away unless you have an SSD installed on your PlayStation 4. Now locate the game you want to go ahead and save the progress for, or you can just select everything, so you can press options down. Go to select multiple applications. So I'm going to select Call of Duty and Battlefield just for this example. Then go to copy, and you can see Minecraft. I can actually save the Minecraft worlds and transfer those to a friend's house really easy. So it's copying everything over. And it's going to take about 30 seconds for everything to copy. Now, at any point in time, you can come back to the screen and you can copy back over the game progress. So the transfer rate is quite slow on the original PlayStation 4. So now, when I come back to the screen, I want to go to this screen and go to Save Data on USB storage. Instead of going to Save Data in System Storage, then I can go to Copy to System Storage, and I can see the game selected right here. I can select them and then go to copy and copy back over to my PlayStation. So this is just saying, I already have the data on my PlayStation. Do you want to overwrite it? So let's just go to yes and just copy both of those. And it's a lot quicker copying it over to your PS4. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech on videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.